So here we have the K-PAQ, and you'll see attached to the K-PAQ is the docking station. That allows you to attach this docking station to the framework of the mould to make it more accessible during use. So you want to plug in TCs. You don't need to take the lid of the K-PAQ off to do that. So you've got your K-PAQ docking station, and the good thing about this is it allows you to use more production worthy probes rather than those get you started green and white ones. So I've just one of the probes here, I'll show you. So this is a probe, full stainless steel 316 build. It's got a big plug on the end of it, and that big plug goes straight into K-PAQ docking station. Thus, with various different arrangements, we've got this nice little one for doing quick setup. So if you imagine imagine this vent pipe is being held in the mould, and where my hand is, and you rock up to it, and you've got this clamp arrangement, and you just pull that probe out of the probe out of the vent pipe, putting the probe back in, clamps in, and that's going to hold throughout the cycle. The probe sticking out the other end into the mould. Okay. Various other smaller probes that we can put into the production pack that'll measure oven temperature and whatnot. So I hope that gives you an overview of what the production probes are like. Okay, cheers.